Today we did a little sump pump install in the building. Gonna be a new renter coming in here soon, and we got a lot of groundwater, and this is one of three. It should be about to kick on, and I was hoping to show you guys that. Well, I thought it was close. Had to do a little concrete cutting and some digging, but we got it in there. I expect it to be kicking on. It's really close. Well, I guess I'll have to do it manually. Just like that. Another day in the adventure. Have a good one.